With over 33,000 students attending Cardiff University, we make up a big segment of population here in Cardiff and are a part of the Cardiff community. We need to understand the Cardiff Council's waste and recycling process, as this might be different from the systems we've experienced before. Waste-related offences may attract a fine from the council. So we all have a responsibility to dispose waste correctly and recycle as much as we can. After all, it's the little things that make the biggest difference. Green recycling bags are used in all houses in Cardiff to dispose dry recyclables like paper, cardboard, plastics, tins, and glass. Please empty and rinse out all containers that contain food and drink before recycling them. These green recycling bags are provided free of cost from the Cardiff Council. You can pick these up from the Welcome Centre on the second floor of SU building on Park Place. You can find your nearest stockist on the Cardiff Government app or order it online. These are collected every week and you can check your collection dates on the Cardiff Council website. Did you know 29 recycled tea bags can produce enough electricity to charge one laptop fully? The benefits of recycling food waste are simply amazing. Food waste caddies are provided free of charge from the Cardiff Council. If you don't have one, check the Cardiff Government app to see the nearest stockist around you, or you can order them online. Food waste is also collected every week. General waste is the waste that cannot be recycled or composted. It is collected in either red striped bags or black wheelie bins. Disposable face masks and gloves go in this bag. These bags are collected every 2 weeks. Check if you use bags or bins on cardiff.gov.uk. The council is not running ordinary garden waste collections at the moment. However, you can take your garden waste to the recycling centres all year round. If you find a pink sticker on one of your bins or bags, it means the council's crew cannot collect it in the way it is. The pink sticker scheme is there to help us to know if we have placed an item incorrectly in the bin or the bag, or if the bag or the bin is too heavy for the council's crew to carry and empty safely. There are lots of ways you can find out more about what items to put in your recycling bags and bins to avoid a pink sticker and subsequent fines. Check the quick guide printed on every recycling bag. View the council's recycling and waste collections page. Check their A to Z of recycling on the council website or Cardiff Government app. Ask for a recycling leaflet at your local library or hub. If you have any suggestions or questions, please drop me an email at endeofficer@cardiff.ac.uk. I would love to hear from you. Let us all do our bit to keep Cardiff beautiful and a wonderful place to live in.